turkey burgers. Have no idea what I'm doing. But my mom told me some stuff, and I'm going to try to do it how she does it. So, let's see what happens. So, first things first, trying to get these things open. There we go. And we just squeeze this out. If you get this, if you froze the meat, you just pull it out, let it thaw for about 12 hours at least. There we go. And the part I don't like about cooking, get my hands dirty. You have to get your hands dirty. Alright, to get so see. And so this is ground turkey meat. It's about a pound, according to the packaging. We have some plain breadcrumbs. And now my mother told me that what she puts in hers, she doesn't do measuring, but I do, because I'm not that good. So she tried to tell me how much she thinks she uses. So, because she know I'm a struggle. So we'll throw about half a cup. Put some breadcrumbs in there. I don't even know what else I could use bread. Oh, meatloaf. Oh, I didn't know that. I got meatloaf instructions. So, she said about 1/4 cup of onions. I don't know what that looks like, but I'm about to chop these up. So I'll be right back with the help of movie magic to make chopped onions magically appear. But first, we'll go ahead and throw in, she said, about 1 egg per pound of meat. So I'm going to crack an egg in there. Hoping I can do that. So, now, we'll just pause it. So, we're back. This is me trying to finally chop these onions into little teeny tiny pieces. It's getting there. So it looked like 1/4 of a cup is about 1/4 of an onion. 1/4 of this onion. I have a yellow onion. She said that you could use any onion. So whatever onion you prefer, use that onion. Whatever. Oopsie. Let's do this over top of here so I don't lose onions on the counter. So, probably could have used a blender to chop up the onions, food processor of some sort or something. But, this is going to be the best I can get. So, dump that in. For the rest of the onion, I can use that later. So I'm going to put that in like a Ziploc bag. Put it back in the refrigerator. I could even use it to cut them up and put them on the burger if I want to. Alright. Just trying to move this over for now. The next step is to wash your hands, because you got onions all over your hands. Some people can't really cut onions without crying. I am tearing up a little bit, but I'm not like bawling in tears. So if I decide to wipe my eyeball or something. Let's get the onion off it first. And then the last thing we have to put in here, there's two more things. We got the egg, the onions, the breadcrumbs, and how do you take the top off of this? You just twist it off, okay. So, she just says a splash of barbecue sauce. I don't know what that is, so I'm just going to put in enough to look like that's what I want. So, you're free to do the same. Companies that make seasonings, this is not cool. It's so hard to get that off.
Eventually.
So, like 100 years later, I got this stupid stuff out. If you're going to make it like that, make a little bit of room for people to get to it and be able to get it off of there. Anyway, we're going to put a little bit of seasoning in there. I'd like to add a little extra salt. Just a little bit. And then we're going to throw in, now you can pick whatever barbecue sauce you want. Why don't they make the perforated thing so you can just rip it open? Oh, goodness. Most money you should pay for this stuff. You think food companies will make it easier for you to get into the food that you sat there and spent your hard-earned money on. Jeez, that was hard for no reason. So I got Jack Daniel's sauce because I love Jack Daniel's barbecue sauce. So that's $1. A little bit. This is an experiment, so this isn't going to be, I got another whole one of these. I'll probably add or remove stuff, depending on how good or bad this comes out. So, to start, I want to get this fork and kind of break everything apart and kind of get everything all mixed together. This thing's set for more than 12 hours and it's still got some bits in it that's kind of so I'm going to apologize for the running water, but I need to wash my hands after this. I have to go in with my hands to get this thing nice and mixed. So let me do that. There we go. Mixed in there. Oh, mixed in there. All that off the sides too. Alright, so now the next step is to move this over, get some of the stuff out of the way. And we're going to put down some wax paper. I'm going to make some patties. So, what I'm going to do is, don't know how big to make the patties, so I'm just going to go with my gut. So, go take a big ball here. One. Gotta roll it into a ball. That seems like a good size. And then I'm going to just like that. Put a little dip in the middle. Actually, it looks like it might be a little small. Get a little more. Get it again. Yeah. Alright. And I think that's a pretty decent sized burger patty. So, you do the same thing again. Get it all together. And let's just kind of like that. It looks pretty good. Now what I'm going to do is a probe it. Because they're going to go inside of the Ziploc bag. These off first. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it like this. And then I'm going to fold it again. Like so. Boom. Those are two patties right there. And that goes right into the Ziploc bag, just like that. No problems. So, there's about another square for the next two patties. And we'll just do the same thing. These in the Ziploc bag. That, I'm going to do that too. Make sure you write the date on the Ziploc bag so you can July 30th, 2019. So, write the date on there with a marker so that you know when you made these burgers. And if you don't get around to eating them that quick, you at least know when that last time you had it. Okay. This is perfect. It's 4 burgers. They're sticking together really well, so I don't have to worry about that. Put them in the freezer. Probably eat them tomorrow because I gotta go out and buy hamburger buns. But yeah. And then take what's left. It was perfect. Look at that. So I want to send a shout out to my mom because this is her. She told me how to do this. This is not her exact recipe. I'm gonna put it that way because you know, she eyeballs her stuff, so she just told me what ingredients. I kind of had to figure it out myself. So, all right. And a little tip that I learned from a cooking show, I think it was, to push in to make the middles thinner than the outsides so that it cooks more thoroughly. So yeah, one more time, just fold it over, and don't do that, fold it over, and stick it in the bag. So, and do is kind of push out some of the air, zip it, and then you can just hold this. If it still seems like there's a lot of air, just kind of open it again, push it out. And now, a cool thing about this, one, ground turkey is actually really cheap compared to ground beef. So I paid $1.99 for 1 pound of ground turkey. And at the same grocery store it was like $3.99, $4 for ground beef for the same size. So you're saving a lot of money there. Plus, I have now 4 burgers for the same price as 1 burger at a fast food restaurant, and I'm probably getting a lot more food out of this. And I bought my own tomatoes and lettuce, so I know that my vegetables will be a lot fresher. I worked at a fast food restaurant before, so I know how that goes down. Because I worked at McDonald's, I know how long this stuff sits around. So this is a lot better option. Secondly, because we use the steak seasoning, I also have, next time I'm going to actually try this, which is amazing hamburger seasoning, which I actually use on the pre-made turkey burger patties that I was buying, which again still costs more than making them yourself. And they weren't even seasoned and all of that. So this is a really good deal. I mean, you look at the price. The meat was $1.99. This was like less than $1. This was probably like $2. This was like $3, but you can get like really cheap barbecue sauce. And the onion was like 70 cents because it was less than a pound. So it's a really cheap. And the eggs are like, depending on where you get your eggs, you can get them really cheap. But between $1 to $2. You can go to a dollar store. It usually has like a 6-pack of eggs because you only need 1 egg per pound. So, and 1 pound makes 4 burgers. There you go. So, that's it for today. Your cooking video. If you like these cooking videos, like, subscribe, comment, let me know that you like them. And all of that. Till next time. Peace.